In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set every notification trigger in Notion. This comprehensive guide will take you through each step needed to turn those notifications on, allowing you to stay updated and organized without any hassle. So let's dive right in. First, ensure that you're logged into your Notion account. This is the starting place for customizing all your notification settings. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the interface and click on Settings. This section is your gateway to configuring a variety of features in Notion. In the Settings menu, you'll see an option for notifications. Click on it to proceed to the specific menu where all the notification preferences can be customized to suit your needs. From here, the first thing you'll want to do is enable email notifications, especially if you're someone who checks emails more frequently than any other communication channel. This ensures you receive an alert for important updates. If you're a Slack user, there's also a provision to enable Slack notifications. Having this turned on will conveniently integrate Notion updates into your Slack environment, helping maintain workflow continuity without needing to check multiple applications manually. The next crucial step is to make sure that all necessary notifications are turned on. Take a moment to think about the type of updates that matter most to you. Do you need to know when someone comments on a page or when changes are made to a shared document? Enabling all relevant notifications ensures you're informed about changes that could impact your tasks or projects. Once you've set up your notifications, go back to your main page in Notion. Here, you can easily create reminders by typing an @ symbol followed by the word Remind and pair it with a date, time, or both. This command will automatically transform your text into a blue tag. Simply click on this tag to further adjust your reminder settings to ensure they perfectly align with your schedule. You have the option to edit specific dates and times, adjust the advance warning, or even change the time zone, offering a truly tailored reminder experience. Now, let's elevate this setup by delving into automated notifications within databases. Open your database and locate the lightning bolt icon at the top, representing automation. Select New Automation and tap Add Trigger to choose the event that will activate your notification. The next step is to click Add Action and pick Send Notification to. Choose your recipient, whether it's a specific person in your workspace or a property like Assigned to. Lastly, customize your notification message and click Create. However, do note that this automated feature is available for accounts that have been upgraded within Notion. Remember, the process we've just walked through enhances your ability to stay organized and ahead of your tasks in Notion by effectively leveraging notifications. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes your Notion experience even more efficient.